Now students, good morning. Now the next what we are having, that is clinical thermometer. It's a special kind of thermometer, basically used only for the clinical purposes. Fine, the thermometers which you are having at your home, that is what a clinical thermometer. If you're not having a digital thermometer, the other thermometer, please view it properly. So the description you will say, bacha, either it can be in degree Celsius or it can be degree Fahrenheit. That depends. So if the marking is from degree Celsius, so the marking from degree Celsius we are having, that is 35 degree to 42 degree. What you will see, there is a slightly bend is there, which is not actually in laboratory thermometer. A slight bend is there. Why this slight bend is there? That if the mercury is showing you the reading, it should not fall immediately. What happened when doctor put this thermometer in your mouth? Okay, then after 1 minute, for the stability, it is in your mouth, and then doctor measures the temperature. Now it should not fall immediately to 0. We are having this kink, so that reading should stay there. Okay, this kink is called constriction. So what constriction prevents? The mercury falls back by itself. वापस नहीं आने देती. अब देखते हैं ना डॉक्टर जोर जोर से शेक करते हैं. सो वो क्यों शेक कर रहे हैं? ताकि फिर वो वापस बैक उस पर आए. और जो ये रेड एरो होता है इस पर, दैट विल टेल यू द बॉडी टेम्परेचर ऑफ अ हेल्दी बॉडी. इससे बढ़ेगा, इससे कम होएगा. फाइन. सो दैट डिपेंड्स, that tells you that person is not well. The temperature of a healthy person is 37 degree Celsius. Again the things are same. Capillary tube is there. In bulb we are having what? Mercury. Okay, this kink is what known as constriction, and this red arrow mark tell us about the healthy person's body temperature. Now what actually the clinical thermometer can also be degree Fahrenheit. अगर वो डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट में है, देन इट इज़ 95 डिग्री टू 110 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट. Again in this also, red arrow indicates the temperature of a healthy person. The next part they have given here, what they are saying in that part, that what doctors do, firstly clean that thermometer, then shake it properly, then they use it, then again shake it. So that things are very important, that how to use it. That is the similar way, the way you use it at your home. What they are saying, before use, the bulb of thermometer is washed by keeping in a beaker containing cold water, that it is slightly jerked to bring the level of mercury in its capillary below the mark of 37 degree Celsius. Okay, उसको वापस लेके आने के लिए below that mark to bring that. Then we use that thermometer in the mouth of a patient, and then we take out, we note down the reading, and if the temperature is above the 37 degree Celsius, or if the temperature in Fahrenheit is showing more than 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, so it means the person is having a fever. So now what they are saying in, do you know the normal temperature of a human body is 37 degree or 98.6 degree. Nowadays, instead of the mercury thermometers, we are having digital thermometers. Already all of you are having, lots of you are having digital thermometers at home. It's easy to use, easy to handle, and clinical thermometer cannot be used to measure the temperature of boiling water. Why not it can be used? Because the degree measurement it is giving you, that is from 35 degree to 42 degree. See bacha, the laboratory thermometer can be used for measuring the temperature of a body, but a clinical thermometer cannot be used. So now the next topic also I'll post it today. I'm sending you very short videos. Just view these videos, and after 1 or 2 hours I'll post you the another video for that measurement of area, and we will finish our chapter today. Have a good day.